Next topic is importance of latitudes. It means the benefits of latitudes and the advantages of latitudes. These help us to divide the earth into different heat zones and help us to form an idea of the temperature of a place. It means hotness and coldness. These help us to find out the distance of a place from the equator, because 1 degree latitude is equal to 111 kilometer. These also help us to find out the exact location of a place. With the help of latitudes, we can find the places on the basis of distance and direction. So, heat of zones are classified in 3 categories on the basis of the latitudinal extent of the globe is divided into the 3 broad heat zones. Name of the zones are the hot or the torrid zone. It means the hot zone. The other name of hot zone is torrid zone. The moderate, where temperature are medium, are known as the temperate zone. And the third zone is freeze zone, where too much coldness. Okay, now we will discuss one by one. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It means 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. And the rays of the sun fall vertically almost throughout the year. It means almost the year. So this area receives the maximum heat, and it is the hottest zone of the world. That's why it is known as hot zone or the torrid zone. Second is moderate zone, or we can say it the temperate zone, and it is light between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. It means 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north, and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle, same as the southern hemisphere, 23.5 degree south and 66.5 degree south. So the sun is never overhead on this zone. It is neither very hot in summer or not very cold in winter. It means the moderate temperature, not too hot nor too cold. So it is therefore called the temperate zone. Here understand it. North, first is the torrid zone that lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, and here the sun rays fall vertically. That's why known as the hot zone. And the second temperate zone lies between the northern hemisphere as well as the southern hemisphere. So here the moderate temperature and known as the moderate zone or the temperate zone. Last is the cold or the freeze zone. It is lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. So this zone is the coldest place because the sun does not rise much above this zone and above the horizon. That's why the third zone is known as freeze zone or the cold zone. Got it? It means the above 3 zones help us to divide the earth into 3 heat zones, and the places and the cities that lies in different heat zone have different type of climates.